What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2025 Chevy Trailblazer. So you need to be in the vehicle with the Trailblazer running. Then we're going to come over to our center screen. From the menu here, I'm going to click the vehicle information menu. Then from this screen, I'm going to click maintenance. Then we can click on oil life. And then reset. Do we want to reset it? Yes. And as you can see there, it was reset back to 100%. And this is also where it will give you the option to show the oil life on the dash. So if you click show in cluster, it'll pop up on the dash too. So that's how you can reset your oil life back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.